Hey guys, back at LAZERS-STUDIO again. This is another Goodwill find of yesterday. So yeah, stupid dog. He was $4, which is unacceptable. I still got it, I don't care. Yep, they always put the line so like, oh, it's Goodwill. But yeah, it's a piece of junk. And it smells like gunk. Rooster, nigga chickus, what do you want? A rooster's clucking at me because he knows I'm out here. He's like, what are you doing out here? So yeah, he has a crappy button here. Thinks this is the most wonderful time of the year. I don't know anything about it. It's my bowl Walgreens, so here you go. Wow. Wow. Stop. Wow. 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 He died. Oh, there. It scared me. Feeling it, no one is caring about rules today. Marshmallows for toasting, and no one cares about this now. He's supposed to go up. Don't care. Love you clicking. But yeah, hope you like watching this piece of junk. Bye. Have a good day.